Now we look at GCD and HCF. We start by knowing the meaning of GCD and HCF. GCD means greatest common divisor. So G means greatest, C stands for common, and D stands for divisor. And HCF stands for highest, C stands for common, just like in GCD, and F stands for factor. So HCF means highest common factor. Now what I want you to know is that GCD and HCF are the same. Whether you are told to find GCD or you are told to find HCF, the method is the same. We look at an example so that we can know how to calculate them. In our first example, we are told what is the GCD of 6 and 12. Now, the first thing when you are told to find the GCD is to find the prime factors of the numbers which you are given. So, step 1 will be to find the prime factors. We have learned how to find the prime factors. In this case, we have two numbers which are 6 and 12. So we find the prime factors of 6 using, so we are going to use the factor tree method which we have looked at. Use the factor tree method. So that is step number 1. So 6, the prime factors of 6 will be 2. 6 divided by 2 will be a 3. So the prime factors of 6 will be 2 times a 3. Then the next number is number 12. The prime factors of 12 will be, we start with 2. 12 divided by 2 will be 6. Again, 6 can still be divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, we get a 3. We cannot divide further. Therefore, the prime factors of 12 will be 2 times 2 times 3. So these are the prime factors of 12, and these are the prime factors of 6. Now, the next step, step number 2, in finding the GCD is to pair the prime factors. Pair the prime factors which we have calculated. So the prime factors of 6, we have seen is 2 times 3. The prime factors of 12, we have seen it is 2 times 2 times 3. Now, we pair the numbers which are the same. In this case, here we have a 2 and here we have a 2. So you pick 1, 2 from here and another one from the next number. So we can pair those two. Then we have a 3 here and we have a 3 here. So we can pair them like that. So in the prime factors of 6, we don't have any more prime factors. But in 12, we have a 2. But this 2 does not have a pair. Therefore, this one we are supposed to ignore. The one which does not have a pair, you ignore it. Then, out of each pair you pick one number. Here we have a pair of 2. So the GCD will be, you pick one from this pair, you have 2, you multiply by, you pick 1 from the other pair, so 2 times 3. Then you multiply. You get 2 times 3 will be 6. So the GCD is 6. Therefore, we can write our answer as GCD of 6 and 12 will be 6.